But soon, they share award. They share award for wickedness. So many people will collect, so they will still raise them up with confidence. Say they don't win wickedness award. Eh, many people dey like that. There many like that. So people will get problem, they will get matter. Instead that matter, another person will see and say they get matter. You go see carry another matter jam dem join am. I don't know the way some people they do things so. Like say man, no be this life they grow. No be this life, no do small pikin, no do adult, you never know as life they play. The blind don't come from one forest, come begin the act like semen. Wetin be the matter, brah? The matter be say e get one fellow when they drive truck, as in they drive a truck now, truck won't get fault. Na him suffer pass for MMW, that MMW I see Edo College Road that they call MMW, Molitara Mohammed Way, that road too. And the brass of a park for as he park now. One fellow just come now, whether the fellow wan come see person for the house, or whether na him be the landlord, or we no understand am. The fellow just come, he begin dey follow the fight. He scatter the glass of the truck, so many things, and he vandalize the truck with him hand unto say the truck where the park put. Unto where the truck park put na him cause wahala, so destroy the fellow truck. Brian, if you see this matter, you no go love you. If you see this matter, you no go happy.
The front and the rear lights of the truck, including side mirror, were shattered, while cables and brake pipes were destroyed by the attacker. Narrating his ordeal, driver of the truck, Kenneth Nwamboze, said he was driving along Murtala Mohammed Way, Benin City, when the truck developed mechanical fault but managed to park it off the road. Nwamboze explained that he invited a mechanic to fix the vehicle, but it could not be completely fixed, so the vehicle could not leave. He said he and his apprentice slept in the truck, alleging that a man woke him up in the night and attempted to attack him, destroying parts of the truck, claiming that he blocked entrance to his premises.
I didn't summon to me and my boy. It was to 12 in the night. Now one man come drive car come knock for my door. As I come out for door for inside motor. Before as I look the man, he carry screwdriver for hand. First thing he laser and me took me. Now come squad. Before I know, he begin to shout say I block entrance. Whether I know what may enter us now. Now I need them, I beg me calm down, I explain give him. You know one here for me. Now he call don't enter inside compound. Go carry class come. The man no one here. Now use class begin to destroy my motor. As far as a million, I so begin to destroy my motor. I destroy my motor finish. Now I call drive come out.
Investigations revealed that the attacker was on a visit to the premises to see one of the tenants who was said not to be around. Ikmomosa Ugiagbe, ITV News.
Master, you don't see him. You know, see when matter dey like this, we no dey waste time. We no dey waste time, Brian. We no dey waste time to enter comment section. We'll see wetin Nigerians talk. See this matter, the rise of 109, minus 110 comments. Na him dey here. Okay, Solomon come say he should have taken permission from the owner of the premises before allowing his truck to spend the night. Make we still hear the other man's side of the story. And says for take permission for the other man and from the owner of that premises, so before you come and carry park for there. Okay. In get reply for comment section, more no enter there. More no enter. Okay, Godfather can say the both of them is wrong. Why would he deny the man access to his house? Say the both of them wrong, or say why he go deny the man access to his house? So both the man when they deny access, both the man when scatter person motor, say the two of them wrong. Okay. User 940 can say is it a crime to block road? Truck or any car can develop fault at any time. It's not be crime to block road, say truck or car fit just get fault anytime, even you no expect to. Now wait a minute. User 530 can say God will never let me see what will carry me go to the southeast. This one, our brother many be like this, so they go like this. Other people would go like this, and why would they see them say they sing off key? Matter they go like this, you they go like this. We take on concern artists concern this matter now. Now Valhalla. Valhalla. Okay, those those developed nations we all talk about, they would have sued the truck owner to court and he go pay plenty. And say Western world don dey talk and dem for sue the court owner and he go pay plenty. Humble come say na who first judge dey win now. Una never hear from the landlord o. Trust me, you won't beg him and he will still come after you or your truck. For country where everybody na security to himself, say make we hear the man own first. So you say you no go beg the man and make e no hear you. Say for country where everybody na security to himself. Scott come say una just dey talk say anyhow for dis comment section. Una just dey talk anyhow for dis comment section as if say na una get motor. Una no know the meaning of breakdown. Say dey talk anyhow for comment section as if say na dem get motor, say they don't know the meaning of breakdown. If they know and they go understand. Okay. And bidding come say later una go say government no good. That truck is bad. Make e put am for head. Let's be human to ourselves sometimes. He say sometimes we say government no good o. Say make we dey behave like humans because truck no good, you go put am for head. If you be say the truck now, you no dey even start, you no fit even, so na truck, you no go fit push am. At a time, comment menu. Okay, user 819 can say vehicle can develop fault at any time, but make sure you park properly so you won't affect others. Wetin e talk o. Brian, no go fit read all the comments, but that matter no be matter wey go well o. No be matter wey go, but wetin come lead to fight wey the man come carry screwdriver come wan start na only that place receipt we no understand. But say because a person park for front of your house and when you know say the motor spoil, that one you no suppose vandalize am o. You no suppose. But wetin come make the man carry screwdriver come that place, we no see am. I will say we know wetin because you no go just carry come say you park for front of your house, you just carry screwdriver come. No. Say so I don fit get matter. Or maybe some people don come fit do some kind shit for there before and you come suspect say na you. But if not be that one, say because say you park, even though na your entrance, you no go fit enter for 1 week, give you the audacity make you go destroy person car. No, Brian. But we no go fit conclude because wetin cause matter because that bra say they bring screwdriver come out. So that screwdriver when they bring come out, wetin dey there? Because if you look matter, look am well o. Look am well. So we no go fit side any of them until we don hear for that fellow. But at the time, this activity no good o.